In this part, we continue the design in the Room Maker. Select the Electrical Accessories page of the Room Maker to add sockets and switches to your design. Select a socket and set up the properties. Insert other electrical accessories and series of switches, for example. You can add decoration profiles to a room using the Profiles pages of the Room Maker. Select a cross-section and customize its width, height and distance from the floor level. Select a material for the profile. Click on the Add New Material button. Design Center, which contains all material types, will appear. Search for the desired material by typing the first part of the material name. Select the appropriate material from the list. Click on the Create button. Choose the third option and do the same to define the skirting board. In the same way, select a cross-section and customize its width, height and the distance from the floor level. Select a material for the profile. Click on the Ceiling Lamps page to insert one or more lamps to the ceiling surface. You can select predefined lamps from the libraries of ARCHLine.XP, and of course you can also import or create a completely new one. To add another one, just click on the Insert New button. Change the settings if it is necessary and add as many lamps as you need. Place a spot lamp to the middle of the room. Similar to the ceiling luminaries, you can position lamps on the surface of the selected wall. Change the distance from the wall corners and from the floor level and create the lamp. Place pictures, posters and other decorative panels on the wall surfaces. Import a painting or browse for an existing one and select it. Change the elevation from floor value and click on the Create button. Navigate to another wall to hang another image on it. Import a painting or browse for an existing one and select it. Change the elevation from floor value and click on the Create button. The floor material is very simple to change. Just select a material and it automatically appears on the floor surface. Walls can be changed one by one or all at the same time. Enable the All Walls option and click on the material to apply it on all wall surfaces in the room. Disable the All Walls option and select a different material to change only the selected wall. Create a new color. Click on the Create New Material button. Choose from the palettes and select a likable color. Rename or keep the original name. Set up its properties. Close the dialog window with OK. This new material appears only on the selected wall. Close the Room Maker to finish the work.